The XHJ-350D reinforcing steel bar truss production line, developed and produced by XHJ Technology, is mainly to weld the upper and lower rebar, as well as the lattice steel wire together. The cross-section shape is triangular after welding. It's mainly composed of 12 parts, such as payoff rack, vibration rack, straight bar feeding part, pulling bars part, bending wave part, welder part, folding foot part, shearing part, unloading material rack, hydraulic system, electric control system, water cooling system. The main features are: 1. The welder have the patented electrode welding head independently developed by our company, which can improve the service life of the electrode and reduce the customer's use cost. 2. Using the hydraulic system jacking to form the steel wave and wave bending, the wave peak spacing 190 to 210 millimeters adjustable. 3. The truss host adopts an integral structure to make different height truss. The truss height, 70 to 350 millimeters, is adjustable. It's convenient and fast adjustment. The overall adjustment to ensure the relative position of each components. All adjustments are one key electric adjustment. This production line is mainly suitable for steel truss floor slab, PC precast concrete components, railway sleeper track, and other industries.